Well, we know parents need some activities to get their kids through winter break. How about a science experiment?
Oh, absolutely.
That involves Santa.
Absolutely. In fact, this time of year we're so excited because we get to study the science of Santa Claus.
Science of Santa. I love that.
yeah,
I've
yeah.
got my lab coat on.
There you go.
I'm ready to go.
Question for you. What do you find hard to believe about Santa?
That he can get through a chimney.
That he can get through a chimney. So we brought an experiment for that right now. You've got a water balloon. We're going to use that as a stand-in for Santa Claus right now.
This is Santa.
Okay. So I don't have a fireplace or a chimney, but I brought a glass jar tubey thingy. We call this a flask.
Okay.
Okay. So we're going to use that as a chimney. Just put him on top.
Okay. So set him on top.
And he can't get in.
He can't get in.
Because we don't have any fire.
We don't have any
We need
fire.
wood for fire, but I don't have any wood, so I brought toilet paper.
Naturally.
Yeah,
Yes,
of course.
same thing.
Okay, so I'm going to twist this up like this, okay? Okay, now if you
Looks
pick him
good.
off a minute,
Take him off.
pick him up. We're
Here's
going to light
Santa.
fire in the
He's
fireplace. This is so cool, okay? So I'm going to light fire in the fireplace. You're going to put Santa on. He's going to go in. It's going to be astounding and amazing or disappointing. I'm voting for astounding and amazing.
Okay.
Okay, so here we go. We light the fire.
Whoa.
Right. Okay.
Here we
Set him
go.
right on top. Set him
Okay,
on top.
set
Set him
him
on
on
top.
top. I'm
Please
really
work. Please
scared.
work. Please work. Please work.
Okay. Oh, there he's
Wait.
going.
He's going. Wait. It's going to go.
I hope our
Look
smoke
at that.
alarms don't
Look
go
at
off.
that. How
There we
cool
go.
is
Oh
that?
my goodness. Okay.
The
So now we know.
The science behind it.
cover
Yeah.
this?
Yeah, absolutely.
So our smoke detectors don't go off.
That's okay. Got it.
There we go.
Okay, so the science behind it. There's pressure on the inside, pressure on the outside. We raised the pressure on the inside when it got hot, lowered the pressure when it got cool,
Okay.
and that sucked him in.
So you're telling me parents can do this at home with their kids?
Absolutely.
Fill a water balloon. Be careful. All
Don't
right?
set off the
We're
smoke
telling
alarm.
You, do not come after us.
That's right. That's
but
right.
You have videos online.
I do.
Okay.
Go to our YouTube channel, Dogs of Science, woof
Okay.
woof, Dogs of Science on YouTube, and it's the one that has little cartoon dogs on it, and we do this experiment there.
And if you want a professionally controlled experiment,
Yes.
they can send their kids to you. You have birthday
Birthday
parties,
parties.
camps, all of those things.
After
Mad
school
Science.
programs, just look us up on YouTube or web.
Located in Edmond. Look him up. Thank you so much, Derek. Tons
Thank
of
you for
fun.
having
Always
us.
a great time. You guys, if you have an organization, just send it on over to us. Let us know, and we will get you set up with the porch.
Thank
There we go.
you.